Welcome to Malaky Studios, and in this pretty short video we're actually going to be showing you guys how you can now reverse a video inside of all of 0.2. This is really exciting, but now we have an official button that you guys can press that is going to allow it to just automatically reverse the video for you. So with that, let's get into it. So the first thing is you obviously need a project, so I'm going to quickly import something, and it doesn't really matter, but I'm going to be importing this birdhouse video clips. Now I'm going to be dragging in the clip, whatever clip we want to reverse. So on this one, I start at the ground and I actually go up. I'm actually going to cut off the beginning, I think, a little bit. So we're going to select the clip, delete it, right here, drag it over. We want to stop around about there. So, okay, and literally that's it. So now that we have that, we have this nice little pan upwards. What you're gonna do is when you select on it, you're gonna come up here and you're gonna see all of these different nodes, which, because I did cut some clips out, part of it, it's a little bit hard to see. So I'm gonna reorganize these just a tiny bit so it's a little easier to see, like this. There we go. So now what you're going to want to do is basically you're going to click on this node right here. This is basically a clip node right after a transformation node. So go into the parameters editor right here, and now that you have that, there is this speed parameter. As you can see, right underneath it you have this reverse option. If you click that, as you can see, it just changed what it looked like, because now it's going to reverse that clip. So we start there and we go all the way down, which does look like it messed up a tiny bit, but we can try doing this. Drag those out. That's a little bit closer to it. And as you can see, it starts from the top and actually goes all the way down. I don't really need it that far, so I'm just going to cut those and delete them. Move it over. There we go. And now we don't have those gaps in there. So as you can see, now we have this one file that goes in the transform node, then goes into a clip node, and make sure it's actually on the left hand side, because one of these is actually the video side and the other one's going to be controlling basically all of the audio things. So for instance, if we did want to reverse the audio, you'd select on this and press reverse. I don't really care about that, so I'm not going to reverse it. Basically, all you have to do is literally click on that reverse node right there, and whenever it's enabled, you can see that instead of going from bottom to top, it goes top to bottom, which is super exciting. So if you guys actually want to learn some more about the nodes and you want to know the basics about being able to add nodes, there is that video right over here that I made, and there's also a video right here that YouTube recommends for you. And with that said, remember, keep on editing.